Hola! Today we're on the route of the Gauchos, Ruta de Gaucho, heading up to Laguna Brava at over 4,000 meters. This is the way to Chile, the road from Argentina, one of the many roads from Argentina to Chile. The road is paved on the Argentina side, but it is gravel once you cross over into Chile. The Gauchos would come this way to trade with the miners on the other side of the mountain, on the other side of the Andes. And out there is the last village on the Argentina side. The colors here from the different minerals in the mountains. These are vicunas. Coming to the pass. I must tell you, these are my least favorite kind of roads in the entire world. Every time I end up on one, I think, oh my God, what am I doing on one of these again?
Here is the pass, and now we are going down to the lagoon. Going down 300 meters only.
And those are the Andes in front of us. Before it was just the pre-Andes. On their cattle drive, the Gauchos would have spent much time down in the valleys to fatten up the cattle before they could take them across this pass where there's absolutely no vegetation and down into Chile. They would probably lose at least half the amount of cattle, but still it was a wonderful business. This is Laguna Brava. All the flamingos have migrated. No flamingos. It's salt water, and they have these little briny, shrimpy things that the flamingos eat that turn them pink. You can see the lagoon is icing over, which is why the flamingos left.
The lagoon is a Ramsar site. It's a wetland, altitude wetland. It's very important to keep this lagoon because it's filling the aquifer underneath. That's the importance of this lagoon. Here we are at 4,200 meters. The pass we crossed was 4,300 meters. Now we are going to see the other side of the lagoon, the road to Chile.
Perfect. This is a Gaucho Shelter from about, 1870, 1880, built to protect the Gauchos as they made their way across into Chile from the high winds, storms, snowstorm. You needed something. You're out here with nothingness. Down there, I don't know if you could see the remains of a Gaucho. They're not quite sure if he died of the cold or what.
Uncover, destapadito, no cover. That's the name of the people knows this Gauchos, destapadito, uncover. Because of the wind.
And any further in case there's rats or who knows what kind of rodentos. And here are the corrals that they'd put their cows in. How about a brief rollin', 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 keep them doggies rollin'. Dun dun da 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 da, rawhide.
Porque ya está recordando a los Cowboy de Estados Unidos y canta él ese Rollin, ¿te acuerdas?
Keep going.
Bueno crudo.
Keep going. Rawhide.
Lo que pasa es que en inglés no lo sé.
No, no, do it in español. Rawhide. Lente.
Ahí guardaban el ganado.
Where's Clint Eastwood when you need him? Here is another Gaucho refugio. And it tells you the distance to the Laguna Brava to the next refugio was 25 kilometers, which doesn't sound like much if you're in an automobile, but if you're driving cattle, it would certainly be a lot. People stop and picnic here at this refugio. So this bird just came right up and landed on the mirror. Probably thinks he or she's going to get fed.
Mockingbird. They're here.
It's lunchtime. We'll leave Louis to set up lunch and go see if the guanacos are curious enough to come see us. Look at this wonderful lunch.
Thank you.
Tomatoes and cheese, and the other one is meat, and we've got vino.
Thank you so much.
Excellent.
Mira.
Salud. Dinero y amor.